What a beautiful day to lay an egg. I can already tell this baby is gonna be ugly. I am gonna go to the bar. Gosh, that hurts.
And then I was like, stop, she is underage.
Hello.
Hello.
You look like a misformed chicken.
I know. But I have an ugly baby to hatch. Can someone give tips how to hatch it quicker?
Use a flamethrower. On the egg, of course.
Okay, thank you.
She even has the brain of a chicken.
Relax, you probably know it was sarcastic.
Hello, little egg, time to make you more disfigured than you already are. It's not hatching. I'll give it some time alone.
Tweet, tweet.
Can you please shut the fuck up and talk normally?
Daddy, you're my daddy now. I don't care if you want it or not.
All right, let's go to the bar.
Help, I am on fire.
We need to run, sweetie.
But we need to save our friend.
We don't have the time and now run.
But never mind.
Forest fire be scared everyone. Wait, never mind, I live in the ocean.
You'll need to go on without me.
But what about the kids?
Take good care of them. I believe in you. You're strong enough.
And then I killed a house lol. This yo kid?
No, I am a fox, baby.
Dumbass, here a mirror.
I look ugly as shit.
True.